Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a yummy and easy salmon recipe. For the salmon marination, you need 2 to 4 skinned or skinless salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 cloves of chopped or minced garlic, chopped parsley or coriander leaves, I used coriander, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper or any other spices you prefer. For the coleslaw, I used chopped cucumbers, chopped carrots, chopped celery, chopped cherry tomatoes, lettuce or cabbage, olives and olive oil. For the mint and garlic sauce, I used a handful of mint leaves, 1 clove of garlic, half a tomato, 3 to 4 green chillies, optional, pomegranate seeds, 2 tablespoons whipped yogurt and a pinch of salt. Firstly, marinate with lemon juice, garlic, coriander leaves, paprika, salt, black pepper and any other spices you prefer for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure that all the salmon fillets are coated before frying them. Then, brush a pan with butter or oil, shallow fry the salmon until they are golden and crispy. Make sure to flip them in the middle. To make the coleslaw, you can use any vegetables you want, but I used cucumber, carrot, celery, cabbage or lettuce, tomatoes, olives and a splash of lemon juice, and cut them until they are finely chopped up. For the sauce, add minced leaves, garlic, tomatoes, green chillies and pomegranate seeds together in a blender and blend until smooth. Mix in the whipped yogurt in the end. And that's it! Serve with boiled rice and chapati if preferred. This recipe is super healthy, so I hope you enjoyed my easy and yummy dinner combination. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press that bell button to get more cooking videos from me.